peeps and squares, and today I'm playing a new game called Cluster Truck. So let's go. So a little robber jumping on some trucks. Wow, how many trucks? Where's all the beautiful cars? That's really not good. How many trucks did I need? I know it's about 100. Let's go. Let's jump these trucks. Wow, all of them are like falling over. So, if we hit the ground, we die. So let's just not hit the ground and be a pro. Oh, they're all sliding together so then we can get a path. So that's what they're doing. Some of them are getting run over. Oh my gosh. Yay, level complete. Hooray. Level 3. Oh my gosh, watch out for the rocks. Oh, we're nearly there. Failed at the start. That's not very good. Let's go. Watch out for the rocks. Whoa, whoa. Oh, we failed. Why did that truck move? I thought they were gonna go together. No. Boom. Next truck. Let's watch out for the rocks and all the trucks splitting apart. Go. That was just straight away. Now, all the trucks are going together. Oh my gosh. How many times have we failed already? About 100. Let's do this, jumping on some trucks. So that truck just moved, bad truck. Watch out for the rocks. Now just stay. Yeah! Oh my gosh. He did a master jump. That was awesome. Alright, now let's try and see if we can do this just in one go. Oh. We failed the last one. Let's do this one. We can do it. Also, so it goes all to higgledy-piggledy. Go. Oh! Oh my! We're driving away! Let's not do that again, because we were driving away from it. Go! Go! Yeah! Level 5. Oh, level 5. Failed. Let's try this again. Wow! Well, these ones are definitely hard. Yes! Level 6. Let's do this. Also, so this one it goes round to left and then that's the goal. Why does that truck keep moving? Now let's just believe and then we can do this. Oh my! All these trucks are failing. Oh, we just went backwards and that wasn't good. Quick, get on one. Watch it. No. So we're always at the back of the trucks and then we have to go forward to the goal. Wow, that was a big jump but we didn't make it. Wow, how many fails. Let's go. Oh, that truck just hit the rock and then get to jump on it. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Now, let's do this. Ross left jumping on some trucks. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah! We did it. That was awesome. Level 7. Wow, now look at all these trucks. Whoa, all of them are crashing. Jump. What the? We were stuck in the rock and then we failed. Now let's keep jumping. I see the goal. Oh my gosh. We're stuck in the rock and then we failed. Cause the truck left us. These trucks are all going together so then we have a little pathway jumping on the blocks. Gonna be jumping on the top of them. What's the easiest way to do this? Oh, we didn't do it. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.